So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Today being the World Tourism Day, and to celebrate the magic of travel, I bring to you, as in my previous video, I did mention that I would be doing something on a vlog on a travel or on a property or facility management. So today I thought, being the World Tourism Day, 27th September, and which celebrates cultures and beauty and of the planet, and what a better way to honor it and bringing you a journey with me on this path. So I would like to say that World Tourism Day is celebrated with travel, culture, festivities, hospitality and tourism, airways, roadways, seaways. People love to travel. So I guess it brings people together. And honestly, I would like to say that there's nothing better than traveling uh, when you have different cultures. You get to meet locals, you learn a lot of stories, and you see how people live in different parts of the planets. So it's great. It's a great way to interact with people and get to see places. I think World Tourism Day should not be celebrated only for one particular day. It should be celebrated the World Tourism Week. I think we should change the narrative of that. Instead of celebrating it on one particular day, have one particular week in the year which people can take that one week to travel out. The World Tourism Week. That's what I, as a curious traveler, would like to suggest. You know, and I think we could have this especially during maybe somewhere from between October, November, December. During these periods, it could be for a fortnight or it could be for a week. So that's where you get advantage, where you get a lot of discounts from hotels, from airways, people offering you good packages during this period. And also you get to see a lot of culture, especially in India. When you travel, you get to see a lot of culture with festivities. You get to see Diwali, the festival of lights. You get to see Dasra, the celebrations down south in Mysore. And if you go down to the history of Dasra, where you can, once you travel down south of India, you get to know a lot of things, especially in the food, culture, the history of these festivities. And then also, if Westerners are coming to India, I think it's nothing but a good time to travel, because now the West is in chaos. So I would say that there's no better destination than India to choose from, where they have a lot on the platter to be offered for. So they have got so many places, so many dialects are spoken in India, and there's so many places to see. So if somebody is coming for a 30-day or a 60-day on a travel visa, you should definitely take this advantage, you know, and uh, bring in these memories, capture these memories of his travel. So 2025 has something in store in India, I think, where people can exploit India in the travel destination. Uh, of course, I am making this vlog from Telangana. So the hotels, the culture, the Telangana food festival, every hotel, especially today, has something to offer in terms of uh, this particular region of cuisine, especially in the travel and tourism day. So every hotel is celebrating in whatever best way they can in terms of offering guests various packages, discounts, buffets, food discounts, and a lot of gifts. traditional handicrafts which are exchanged. So you get to see a lot of these things. I guess that we should definitely look at the World Tourism Day and celebrate it in the best way we could, and it brings people and culture together. That's what I would like to say. So you get to do a lot of shopping. People do a lot of shopping this particular time, and especially in India, where there's a lot of handicrafts, there's a lot of fabric, uh, there's a lot of jewelry which people do purchase in India, especially tourists also coming to India. So they can exploit and explore places and have a look at the different cultures what India has to offer. So I would say again, I would emphasize that we should have a travel tourism week once in a year celebrated, then rather than having a the World Tourism Day. Of course, World Tourism Day is for international, but I think in India it could be a India Travel Tourism Week could be observed. I would rather say in various states where tourists coming down to Bombay, Delhi, Goa, Hyderabad, Bangalore for a few days, they get a lot of things as add-ons, complimentaries, uh, good packages in resorts, uh, good guidance by a tour guide to take them around. So this would be definitely really nice. So I would definitely recommend people uh, to have a vision in traveling, and there's nothing like travel. It's good for the health. So I have some clips in my vlog which you all can just go through and have a look at it and enjoy the vlog. So this is just a short vlog which I'm doing. Today it's raining here in Telangana, so I said maybe let me do something on travel and tourism. And so I brought a few details for you. Of course, that the Travel and Tourism Day was founded in year 1980 in the United Nations, the United States. In 1980 it was formed, the Travel Tourism Day. So every year, every country follows this and unites people together. It brings people together on this particular day. So it could be uh, good for travel consultants, tour operators, you know, uh, hotels, travel desks to you know look at this day as an important day in the industry of hospitality, travel, and tourism. So, guys, I hope you liked watching this vlog of mine. It's a very short vlog, and I hope you please like, share, and subscribe. And definitely, I should get back to you with another vlog on a different topic altogether. Till then, please take care. It's raining all over the place. Stay safe, travel safe, eat well, and do the things you have to do in the better way you can. So, till then, take care, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you. World Tourism Day, 27th September. You could see families enjoying on the beach. When celebrations are near, the festivals are near. You have Diwali coming. The Dussehra season is on. So you could see a lot of couples, lovely ladies and their partners. Those beautiful waves. The clean sands, See backpackers on the beach trying to enjoy themselves, travelers from all over the world. You could see lovely couples walking on the beach, strolling in the evening. And enjoying the lovely beachside. Couples already love this one evening stroll on the beach. Those hard-hitting waves crashing along the shores. People enjoying taking a stroll on the beach. You could see a lovely backdrop behind with lovely coconut trees, lush green landscape, the waves crashing against those rocks. What a beautiful sight it is. I think everybody should celebrate the World Tourism Day whenever they get the opportunity and time. Hi guys, this is an information to travelers, curious travelers. This is an ocean park in Pondicherry, and I would suggest that everybody should go and enjoy there and have a visit and see what are the amenities and water sports they have. They have the jet skis, they have the banana rides, and I think everybody should take a drive down there or visit there and see what they have. Looks a good place.